In this problem, it says the number 2018 has the property that it is 3 more than a multiple of 5 and 2 more than a multiple of 3. Determine the sum of the 4 largest numbers less than 2018 that have this same property. So let me focus on this property right here, 3 more than a multiple of 5. We know 2018 has that property, but what's going to be the next number less than that? Well, the next number that's a multiple of 5 is 2015, which is 23 less than 2018. So we need to go lower. So the next multiple beneath that is 2010. And if we add 3, we get 2013. And if we find the next one, the next lowest one, that's going to be 2008. So the thing to notice is that all the numbers that have this property are themselves separated by 5. So what we can do is, given this, we can keep going. 2003, 1998, 1993, 1988, 1983, 1978. Now I could keep going, but that's not the point. Because the point is that we want to come up with a list of numbers that fit this property. And if we just kept subtracting 5, we could keep going. But then we want to say, all right, which of these numbers has this property? 2 more than a multiple of 3. Now, one way to tell that, if I take 2018 and divide by 3, I get 672.6 repeating. Now, 0.6 repeating is 2/3, and that's where the 2 more than comes from. So what I'm looking for is I'm going to look to divide these numbers by 3 and see if I get that same remainder. Because if I get the same remainder, that means it's 2 more than whatever multiple of 3 I'm finding. So 2013 divided by 3. Nope, I don't have that same remainder. So 2008 divided by 3. Nope, so 2003. Yep, there it is. So 2003 works. So now let's keep going. 1998 divided by 3? No. 1993 divided by 3? No. 1988 divided by 3? There it is. So whenever we have numbers like this, try to notice patterns. 2018 and 2003 are separated by a difference of 15. 2003 to 1988 are also separated by a difference of 15. Now, that's not coincidence because we're talking about multiples of 5 and multiples of 3, these properties. So 5 times 3 is 15. That's where the 15 is coming from. So since we have this pattern, we don't have to keep working to trying to divide and see which ones work. We know, all right, well, what is 15 less than 1988? 1988, and if we subtract 15, we get 1973. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Now we need 4 of these numbers. So I need to take 1973 and subtract 15 again. Then we get 1958. Now we want the sum of the next 4 numbers less. So that's 2003, 1988, 1973, and 1958. 2003, 1988, 1973, 1958. And we get a total of 7,922. So there is our answer. And we're done.